Alright, what'd y'all think about that lizard skin video last time? Well, we're doing something different this time, and yep, getting ready to do some painting, and hopefully that'll hold some of the heat in the garage, because the next spot we're tackling is all that down in there. I want to get that done, then I can do the firewall. What I'd like to get to today, but I got to put tools up, is get in there and do the internal frame coating on that. And maybe if I get all my coatings on there, scuff it down one last time and prime it and get it ready for painting. Alright, look at everything that's got put on there. This is looking more like a proper firewall now. So, if you like what you see, there's a playlist right there you can click on about all the Ramcharger stuff. But until then, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time on Broken Tool Garage.